Welcome to QA News Live, episode 4 by QA Talks Community, powered by SLQ, Cathalon, Virtualen, Test Sigma, and Prova. Testing latest updates. Testing and automation updates, open source tools updates. Selenium. Are you still using Selenium 4? Selenium has upgraded to Selenium 4.6.0. What's new in it? Let's go check out the highlights. Adding support for CPD releases in Chrome version 105, 106, and 107, while version 104 was removed. Initial implementation of Selenium Manager across bindings. Improvements to the new Java HTTP 11 client and important grid fixes. Observability enable in the Docker Selenium images. Various languages specific bug fixes. See the full description in the change log. Selenium clients and WebDriver language bindings. C Sharp, the stable version is again 4.6.0. The stable version for Ruby is 4.6.0. The stable version for Java is 4.6.0. And Python is 4.6.0. And JavaScript 4.6.0. Moving on, Cypress Volume 11.0. Summary of the Cypress. Components testing is now generally available for projects using React, Next.js, Angular, and Vue. Components testing allows you to see and test your application's components in the real browser as you work. You can use your favorite Cypress command and features to develop your components without running your whole laptop. Learn more in our blog post. We have also massive improved our startup performance by shipping a snapshot of our binary instead of source file. The performance boost applies to the time it takes from running a Cypress command, example Cypress open, to when Cypress app is open. Results will vary based on your situation, but we saw up to 84% faster startup times. Moving on to our sponsor updates. SLQ has provided hassle-free end-to-end test automation service, including product subscription, script development, maintenance, and no demand exclusion for your key Salesforce use cases. Want to know more? Know the inclusion of SLQ package offering for Salesforce? Visit the link website below. Catalan Studio 8.4 is here. Latest release of Catalan Studio 8.4.0 is now available and comes with a set of features to make your testing experience even better by enhancing testing capacity, security, and user experience. Moving on. Provar's main takeaways from Dreamforce 2022 is another Dreamforce conference is over and the team at Provar is settling back into the home in various corners of the world. What's new for Salesforce? Salesforce Genie, the big announcement was Salesforce Genie, a unified data visualization platform by harmonizing data that is updated every millisecond. It enables team to meet their customers right where they are. Genie is a real-time data source for Salesforce CPD and does have a UI that can surface in the Salesforce Cloud in core performance platforms. With Provar support and UI testing and API, we are well placed to support Genie. Watch the space of Provar for more updates. Moving on, Lambda tests. Lambda Test recently announces a 250,000 grant for open source developers functioning on testing frameworks and tools. Lambda Test hopes to promote deep rooted innovation that will extend the boundaries for the testing and QA community with this grant. Good news for QAs. Updates from Test Sigma. The various ways you can contribute to Sigma open source are code contribution, that is build an add-on or fix which is available on GitHub. The number two is non-code contributions. Report a bug, create a feature request, improve the documentations, the fixes and fix typos on inconsistency and missing information and flowchart, etc. Add new feature or enhancement. Moving on to our next segment, conference updates. We have various testing conferences. The number one, Paris testing conferences, which is going to happen on November 15th to 16th, which is online. The next one, World Conference, Next Generation Testing 2022, November 16th, Bangalore, India. Testing Diversity AI Conference, which is going to happen on 16th of November in London, UK, which is going to be live and also in person. Agile Testing Days, which is going to happen on 21st to 24th of November. It is in Germany, which is going to be online and also face to face. Online Testing Conference, November 29th. This is online conference. Retest Bash, which is going to happen on December 1st. Even this is online conference. Agile Testing Alliance Global Testing Retreat, which is going to happen on 9th of December. This conference is also online. Moving on to our next segment, job updates. Job updates from India. Capgemini is recruiting for software QA manual who has 6 plus years of experience. The location is Mumbai. The role is for functional testers. The next role is for functional testers, require 6 to 9 years of experience, Hyderabad. Senior test consultant, automation, 6 plus years, role in Mumbai. Test analyst, automation, 3 plus years in Mumbai. Please do share your CV if you're interested in the job up above you. Do take a screenshot and share your CV. The next is TVS Next. TVS Next is hiring QA manual tester who has a web API testing, DB testing, test case design. Immediate joiner or 15 days should be fine. Please share your CV here, and the location is Chennai and only work from office only. The next opening is for QA at consultant job. Skill set: you must have knowledge in Selenium with Java, Python, database testing. Experience required 3 to 10 years of experience. Please do share your CV on the given email ID, or you can have direct walk-in on 16th of November in Bangalore. Job updates in Southeast Asia. Acument Malaysia is hiring for manual tester. Work location Malaysia. Experience level 2 to 6 years. Please do email your CV to the given email ID. Mindgraph Malaysia is hiring for automation tester, .NET developer. Please, interested candidates, share your CV here. You can take the screenshot of the email ID so that you can forward your CVs later on. Job updates from Europe. Tech Netherlands. Looking for multiple automation testers in Netherlands. Visa sponsorship can be provided. The requirement is QTP, UFT, automation testers, open for international candidates and immediate joiners. Requirement is 8 plus years of experience in QTP and VB scripts. Prerequisites: ISQBT certified and SAP. Another requirement is test automation engineer. Requirement is 5 plus years of experience in C Sharp, C++, or C Sharp, or Python, or MATLAB. Experience in design, execution, and analysis of test. ISQB certified is an advantageous. Requirement number 3 is C Sharp automation tester. 5 plus years of experience in C Sharp automation. Experience in GUI, Cucumber, and Gherkin scenarios. ISQBT certified is advantageous. Please share your CV on the given email ID for any of the job requirements. Next job updates are from UK and India. Openings for QA engineer entry level at Digital Grad UK. Test engineer at HRM Revenue and Customs. One more opening from India is software testing trainee with automation tools at Wipro Infosys. Walk in for BTech freshers in Hyderabad's software test engineer as software test engineer, software test automation engineer at Qual Labs. Moving on to our next segment, blog updates. Lambda test. Rebuild confidence in your test automation by David. These days, development teams depend heavily on feedback from automated tests or evaluate the quality of the system they are working on. Depending on the type of software testing and the development process used, running automation tests every night or after every commit provide teams with information on the impact of change made to code on its overall quality. With enormous power, however, comes great responsibilities. The more you rely on feedback from your automated tests on decide whether to permit or build to produce to the next step is your development pipeline, the more you must be able to rely on the software quality and defend defection effectiveness on these very automated testers. Do check out the Lambda test webpage for this blog and more details on the blog. Moving on to the update. SLQ. Taking your test automation one notch higher with SLQ by Yuvrani. At the pleasure of build, test, and ship software faster grows, testing teams worldwide are embracing the benefits of testing automation to bring products into the market quickly and reliably. But despite the growth, adaptation of test automation tools, most like modern capabilities and restrict teams from driving effective customer outcome from their from testing efforts. Next update. Now, sorry. The continuation is the importance of test automation. As DevOps has become increasingly popular, testing and development teams started working together, sharing the same organizational philosophy, practices, and tools to ensure product quality. Soon, test automation became popular, enabling teams to move away from manual efforts and automatically review the validate software products. As a result, teams could quickly ensure whether the product met predefined quality and standards for code, business logic, and user experience. Moving on, Test Sigma has another blog update, software inspection versus software testing. How do they differ from Sonali Sharma? You can check more on the website. Moving on to our next segment, mobile updates. Apple launches new security website to boost researchers program. In order to facilitate the reporting of security issues to the iPhone manufacturer, Apple recently debuted in new website. Researchers can interact with Apple engineers who are looking into vulnerabilities and receive real-time status updates from Apple Security Researchers tool. It also offers details about Apple's bug program to security researchers. Moving on to our next segment, certification books update. Preforce Software announces the latest book release on accelerating software quality. Preforce Software announces the release of Accelerating Software Quality, Machine Learning, and Artificial Intelligence in Age of DevOps. The announcement was a part of Preforce virtual meeting on ML and AI in DevOps. The author is Kinsberger. My latest book provides a complete overview of the use cases of AI and ML in software development and testing, along with practical tools and examples for managers and practitioners looking to enhance their overall productivity, automation, and efficiency. My hope is that readers will be better positioned to make decisions as they opt for AI ML technology on their DevOps journey, says Kingsbury. You can have a glimpse of the book here about the author information and everything. Moving on to the next segment. Are you a tester looking for ways to grow in the community? Here are some ways we suggest from Test Sigma. Participate in the community events like webinars, knowledge sharing sessions, AMIs. You can volunteer in some of such events too, like interact with your fellow community members via their social media post or blog post when you participate in the events. Follow and interact with the influencers in the community. Give your 2 cents whenever you see a post that interests you. Like and share the post you like. Share your own learning with the community. Write blogs, create short posts, create videos, share tips and tricks. Be willing to learn too. Help out whenever you get an opportunity to help a fellow community members there. Join the communities especially created for testers. Keep yourself up to date with the happenings in the testing world. You will be able to share better content. You will be able to help out better. You contribute to the community would be meaningful. What would you like to add on to the list? Please do add if there are any things which you want to share. Moving on to our next segment is Technonauts training updates. Cypress Modern Automation Testing from Scratch to Advance by Vinayak. Please do check out our website. The batch would be starting in December 22. The new batch if you want to enroll and know any details, please do send us a message on the LinkedIn page in the community channel or directly on the website, on QA website. Moving on to our next segment, QA Talks Study Group. It's an exciting news for everyone watching the news live and whoever is watching. You can Here is a chance to be a mentor or trainee. QA Talks community presents QA Talks study groups. Be a mentor or trainee and share your knowledge with the community. Online studies with live demos, monthly 1 to 2 sessions allows anyone can be mentor or trainee. Grab the swag rewards for your contributions. Get a chance to become regular trainee or Technonauts Training Institute. Moving on. That's all for today. We will be back with another QA news soon. Please do let us know what you want us to cover next time for QA news. Drop your suggestions in the comment section below or on LinkedIn. You can join our various channels like Discord. We have a Discord channel. You can join and share the updates and get information. You can follow our link on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. Please do follow us here by scanning the QR code. Thank you for joining us for the live session. Thank you so much for QA Talks community, and thank you all. See you next time. Have a lovely day.